Nonetheless, we have a lot to discuss in this episode. David is going to speak with us. Schwartz, let's get started right away. We'll also be looking into the XRP liquidity cheat, so I want to make sure we can fit everything in. After reviewing the volume sheet, we'll delve into a detailed discussion of the current market conditions. So take a seat back and unwind. Come on, let's do it. Bitcoin gives us some insight. As of now, greens are up almost 3%. At $64.65, almost exactly equal on the 24-hour chart, both USDT and USDC will soon have XRP in their dollar pegs, a main, lane 52 cents. I believe it is attempting to reach 53 cents. Will we get it there today? Therefore, I anticipate seeing 53 cents, but it's important to remember that this is a zone of accumulation. I think we're in an incredible accumulation zone right now, a chop zone. I want to discuss Star Wars with you now. I'm talking to you about these things again because they are really taking off. We're entering data into the XP ledger. Unlike those who have recently introduced a new collection, ongoing projects offer up to 10 XRP collections, all of which have already sold out. This project, which has been ongoing for over 18 months, has seen a significant increase in work over the last 4 days. If you wish to purchase more than one, just change it. Take a look at this. You can pay for them all at once or add them to your card. In all 5 of these, I see a lot. You don't need to follow the 10 different orders that people give me when they come around. Simply add as much as you want. I hope you have a happy 4th. We're going to sell a lot of those NFTs, just as we did yesterday when you were here. More on this day. I congratulate every one of you. I completed a 2x pretty much with a penny, so this is nothing. You can see his 200% gains for VO. Over the last 90 days, this investment has increased by 10%, 15%, 20%, 25%, and 30 cents. We expect it to reach. If you're looking to invest, this is still a good deal. I'm hoping to get into it. Says this, but it's hardly financial advice. Is he like, listening? I'm reading a February 2024 article about their mission. V aspires to be Asia's XRP. They're going to rely on the government. 10,000 virtual assistants, $300 per airdrop voice statements, and more. They can undoubtedly profit from the government's 10,000 digital bots per citizen airdrop, according to a recent story. Many may assume that this situation will persist indefinitely, but at VO, we incrementally investigate additional measures to assist the impoverished, the economically marginalized, and those facing economic challenges. Remember that Duran's communication with the government is a significant step in this direction. Interestingly, Stellar's blockchain is the foundation upon which this is based. We assert that our vest serves this purpose. The product suite integrates with Universe Orbit, a fantastic app for cryptocurrency and fiat payments. The Thai government plans to launch the product suite this year. Claims that VO has said that Orbit will tap into Orbit this year and that the Thai government will conduct a free giveaway. How about being exposed? Recall what happened when PayPal first began. It offered money to everyone. What was the result? This led many people to wonder, what is PayPal? What do I do with it? It states that you can now see how PayPal has expanded. Although we are only able to hypothesize as to the specifics of how Orbit will function, I believe it's important to keep in mind that CoinDesk estimates Taiwan's government airdrop budget to be approximately 16 billion. In their own words, 16 billion people express uncertainty about exactly how V will connect to the airdrop. In the Orbit Payments app, which once again incorporates a QR code for digital payments, let's just consider this: VO aims to become Asia's XRP. It currently stands at 2 cents, but it recently made a 200% rise to 25 cents. This thing is going to blow up. He said that all those memo coins were going to implode, and they have now. He's showing you his Bitcoin chart. We're currently in the minor resistance. When I first spoke about it, it was a 10x, now it's a 20 to 25x. Indeed, the numbers have slightly decreased due to our recent double, but there's a significant surge ahead that you should monitor closely. If we break above $65,000, we can reach our primary resistance points, which would put us in the $700 zone that we have so far maintained with great strength. Let's try to get this push-up for Bitcoin 64 so we can continue. I'm not claiming that everything will happen quickly. Joel has been discussing Ripple and the stablecoin automated market maker for a while now. We'll be focusing on those kinds of uses and anticipating more updates from the stablecoin. In the meantime, we can listen to Apex in Amsterdam for updates on when everything will roll out and how it will go down. So, David, do you know the name of the coin that is steady on the Ripple by chance? You'll just need to call. At this time, is it a stable coin for Ripple? It is said that I am not allowed to reveal my name. I am under threat of death until I come to Apex, which is located in Amsterdam. Is it already June? The following month is June. Yes, that makes sense. Come to Amsterdam the following month, and I believe you'll be the first to find out. Perhaps it's time to start placing bets. Pool indeed, we will discover the name of the stablecoin at Apex next month, and I'm confident that additional details will also surface. Details were also revealed. We'll continue to pay attention. That is if you want to discard something. You mentioned a stable Ripple coin there, I believe it. Some have referred to it as the Ripple. Steady currency that shouldn't be an issue, however, we may refer to it as Ripple stability. That's not surprising, that's the incorrect reasoning for USD Ripple USDX, so yes, is it possible for you to arrange a vote? Pool all the potential names, make sure it doesn't fall under any of the aforementioned categories in case you guys didn't understand it, and, well, good luck. That's a great idea, in my opinion. Let the community decide what it is appropriate to call the Ripple stake point. Yes, absolutely. I don't think I can carry that through to the end. You know, I want to see every one of you, I know who you are, so perhaps you guys will have to come to Apex to find out. Okay, let's briefly discuss the significance of automated market makers, also known as AMS. To begin, let's define what an AM is. In many traditional markets, if you have a broker, you can find automated market makers that adjust the time between buyers and sellers. When you visit a publicly traded company such as IBM, you can purchase stock. There is a robust order book of stock buyers and sellers that you can trade on, and there are experts whose responsibility it is to ensure that the market is there. In exchange for their commitment to maintaining narrow market gaps, these exchanges typically receive first dibs on the market. The automated market maker is referred to as its decentralized counterpart. It's always willing to purchase and sell, so if Rachel wants to sell something and I want to buy it today, that's fine. I might not. She might not want to wait for me to be ready to buy before she's ready to sell. Until she's ready to sell. With a pile of two assets, say USD and XRP, an automated market maker is always willing to purchase and sell XRP at a certain price. This allows others to trade at their convenience. The existence of automated market makers on decentralized blockchains sets them apart from more traditional ones, allowing you to participate in a market maker and trade with it using an asset akin to a loan. Similar to a loan. Keep in mind that I said automated. To purchase XRP whenever someone desires to, the market maker must possess some USD. To be able to sell XRP whenever another party wishes to purchase it from an automated market maker, the market maker must possess some USD. The automated market maker earns money through a variety of different channels, such as spreads on its trades. If you lend in USD, XRP, or both, you will own a share of the market maker and profit from the trades that the automated market maker generates, and I've noticed that many of the concepts in this area don't seem all that intriguing. There's an intriguing aspect. However, these loan methods primarily aim to enable wealthy individuals to use their bitcoins without incurring income tax. Not very thrilling, is it? It's possible to borrow against it, and it's not taxable. As a result, wealthy individuals who have made millions of dollars with Bitcoin want to hold onto it so they can use it to buy food. It's not very exciting to not have to pay taxes, but on the other hand, if someone were lending money with very valuable collateral and charging interest on a secure loan, they might not have been able to get a return on their assets, which is why it's interesting to see how many other traditional markets or CHs there are. However, many of these other crypto chains have automated market makers, so you can see how that affects the price. In the first video, we discussed the XLS66D, which is relevant to this with the loan feature, so it will be interesting to watch what the AMM does when it starts to take up. You also know that everything is brilliant. Due to the voting process, the need to get everything in, the issues, and the fixes, things are moving a little slowly here with the XRP ledger development. We are aware of the NFT's experience, but unquestionably, everything is coming together.